Hello, lovely students. In this video, we're going through some common questions and sample answers for IELTS Speaking Part 1. So as you know, IELTS Speaking Part 1 is the introductory part of the exam. The questions focus on familiar topics like hobbies, work, study, and daily life. I've provided answers that show a range of vocabulary and grammar while being natural and fluent. Let's get started. So, the first topic could be work.
Do you work or are you a student?
I currently work as an English teacher. I specialize in business English and fluency training. It's a rewarding job because I get to help professionals improve their communication skills.
What do you like about your job?
What I like most is the opportunity to interact with people from different cultures. I definitely enjoy the challenge of creating engaging lessons that make learning fun and practical for my students.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love reading and writing. I often read nonfiction books about psychology and personal development. Writing is my way of expressing creativity, and I usually blog about language learning tips.
How often do you engage in your hobbies?
Well, I try to set aside time every evening for at least an hour. It's my way to unwind after a busy day of teaching.
Do you like to travel?
Absolutely. Traveling gives me a chance to explore new cultures and languages, which I found fascinating. Plus, it's a great way to take a break from work and recharge.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I love to visit Japan. I'm interested in their culture, and it would be great to experience their efficient public transfer system and unique cuisine firsthand.
How often do you use technology?
Well, I use technology every day, whether it's for work or pleasure, using video conferencing tools for online lessons or for personal use like social media and entertainment. I'm addicted to TikTok, I must confess, and it's a huge part of my routine.
Do you think technology makes life easier or more difficult?
Well, in many ways, it makes life easier, especially for staying connected and accessing information. But sometimes it can be a distraction if we don't manage our screen time properly.
What's your favorite type of food?
Well, I'm a big fan of Italian cuisine, so I guess I'm fortunate to live in Italy. I love pasta, pizza, and everything that involves fresh ingredients and bold flavors. It's simple yet delicious.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking when I have the time. It's a great way to unwind and relax. And I like experimenting with new recipes, especially healthy ones.
Do you enjoy exercising?
Yes, I do. I usually go for a run or I go biking or do yoga in the mornings, and it helps me to stay energized and start my day fresh and focused. And throughout the day, I just become more energetic.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise about 4 to 5 times a week, but it really depends on my schedule. I always make time for at least 30 minutes of physical activity on a daily basis.
Do you enjoy shopping?
I enjoy shopping when I need something specific, but I'm not someone who shops for fun. I prefer online shopping because it's more convenient and it's really time saving.
Do you prefer online shopping or in store?
Well, I definitely prefer online shopping. It's much easier to compare prices and read reviews before making a purchase, and the variety of options is usually better.
What kind of music do you like?
I mostly listen to pop and indie music. It depends on my mood. Honestly, I'll listen to classical music to relax sometimes at night as well.
Do you like to listen to music while studying or
Not
working?
really. I find it distracted. I know that many people and many scientists are talking about it, but when I work, I really need to work, or when I study, I just prefer I prefer to study, and the noise just doesn't help me to concentrate.
Are you interested in reading?
Yes, I am into reading. It's one of my favorite pastimes. I mostly read nonfiction, but occasionally I enjoy a good fiction novel. I also enjoy biographies from time to time. It really depends. So, guys, for IELTS speaking part one, the key is to answer naturally, give full responses, not too short, but also not too long. And you need to show a good range of vocabulary and use complex structures. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to watch a video about IELTS speaking part 2. If you want me to provide you with more IELTS videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. See you in the next video.